How to remove Toyota front bumper clips. These little guys that hold this part right here in. I'm going to snap this back together and take it apart again. So before you try to pop the clip apart, take this bolt right here in the back out. That way you'll have a little pressure on that, and as soon as you pop that pin back, it'll fall out. All right, you would not believe how hard it is to get a camera and a light up in here, and get my hands in here so you can still see. There's our clip right there. And what we need to do is pull this little center tab right here out of the hole in the front bumper. And I found that a little tool just like this, or just a little flat strip of metal, get it started underneath of it. I should point out that the clips that are on my car are fairly new clips. They're only a couple of years old. If you have 20 or 25-year-old clips, they may break when you try to take them apart. Good luck. And just bump it on up in there. And as soon as it touches that little tab and pushes it down, it'll pop apart. And all you're trying to do is get the tool or a little flat piece of metal, like I said, to slide up in here and press this pin down. And once that pin presses down, the whole bumper will pop right out of it.